let's jump right into the exciting world of cryptocurrency. As we gear up for 2025, several cryptocurrencies are showing incredible potential for explosive growth. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, these five cryptos should definitely be on your radar. Let's dive in. 1. Ethereum ETH. First up is Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency by market cap. With its transition to Ethereum 2.0, which focuses on scalability and energy efficiency, ETH is set for significant growth. The introduction of proof of stake has not only reduced its environmental impact, but has also made it more appealing to institutional investors. Plus, with the rise of decentralized finance, DeFi, and non-fungible tokens, NFTs, built on its platform, Ethereum continues to be a driving force in the crypto space. Keep an eye on ETH as it evolves. 2. Solana, SOL. Next on our list is Solana. Known for its lightning-fast transaction speeds and low fees, Solana has been gaining traction as a competitor to Ethereum. The network's unique proof-of-history consensus mechanism allows it to process thousands of transactions per second, making it a favorite for developers and users alike. As more projects migrate to Solana, its ecosystem is expected to expand rapidly, potentially driving SOL's price upward. If you're looking for a crypto with solid fundamentals, Solana is worth considering. 3. Cardano, ADA. Coming in at number 3 is Cardano. With a strong focus on sustainability and scalability, Cardano has been steadily building its reputation. The platform's unique approach to smart contracts and governance sets it apart from its competitors. As Cardano continues to roll out new features and expand its ecosystem, it could attract more developers and users. Its community-driven philosophy and commitment to research-backed development make ADA a crypto to watch in 2025. 4. Polkad DOT. Fourth on our list is Polkad. This innovative project aims to facilitate interoperability between different blockchains, allowing them to communicate and share information seamlessly. With its unique parachain architecture, Polkad is designed to scale and support a wide variety of applications. As the demand for interoperability grows, so does the potential for DOT. Keep an eye on its upcoming parachain auctions, as they could significantly impact the ecosystem and DOT's value. 5. Avalanche, AVAX. Last but not least, we have Avalanche. Known for its high throughput and low latency, Avalanche is positioning itself as a leading platform for DeFi and enterprise applications. Its consensus mechanism allows for rapid transaction finality, making it a favorite among developers. As more projects launch on Avalanche and its ecosystem continues to grow, AVAX could see substantial price appreciation. It's definitely a contender to watch in the coming years. There you have it, our top 5 cryptocurrencies to watch in 2025. From Ethereum's robust ecosystem to Avalanche's rapid growth, these cryptos have the potential for explosive growth. As always, do your own research and consider your risk tolerance before investing. Which crypto are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments. Until next time, keep exploring the world of crypto and happy investing.